If I think of a novel supply chain finance product, I would emphasize the following 3 points. They are all based on existing structures, but could even add more value and attractiveness to supply chain finance. First, a holistic platform approach. A supplier who is part of a buyer-driven program has only the possibility to sell receivables related to this specific buyer. But how about the option to sell also other receivables? This could even enhance the value of the supply chain finance program for a single supplier, as he has one marketplace, so one-stop shop, for his working capital improvements. At CX Markets, we currently see a lot of suppliers that are interested or already took advantage of this possibility on our platform. Second, deep-tier supply chain finance. The current solutions focused on Tier 1 suppliers only, improving the relationship between the buyer and its Tier 1 suppliers. Finding solutions for Tier 2 or Tier 3 suppliers, so here I'm talking about the supplier of the supplier, could even add more value. If I talk to clients, large buyers, and often also OEMs, they give me the same feedback. Supply chain disruptions are based on their Tier 2 or Tier 3 suppliers, as they are struggling, filling up their stocks, and also facing a finance shortfall, especially in the SME segment. With deep-tier supply chain finance, these vulnerable processes along the supply chain could further be stabilized by improving cash flows and financial stability. Third, the use of artificial intelligence. I think we will talk a lot about this topic today, but let me just make some starting remarks. The success of supply chain finance often depends on the supplier acceptance rate. One important trigger is, of course, the market power of the buyer, but not always. Use of AI could even improve the rate by simulating and forecasting KPIs, such as the weighted average cost of capital, cash flow, and liquidity planning for banks, clients, and also fintechs. And talking even more about it from a fintech perspective, we have very resource-intensive areas such as supplier onboarding or our daily operations. Supported by AI, we could even create more efficiency and release resources for tailor-made solutions for our clients. So to sum up, a novel supply chain finance solution is not a clear must, but should be rather built on existing structures with the approaches mentioned. For example, an holistic platform approach, deep-tier supply chain finance, or the use of AI.